Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. A new era of travel. India launches fast-track immigration. India has taken a significant step towards modernizing its immigration system. This initiative is part of a broader effort to enhance the country's infrastructure and improve the overall travel experience for both domestic and international travelers. The new system is designed to reduce wait times, increase efficiency, and provide a more welcoming environment for visitors. On January 1st, 2025, Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the Fast-Track Immigration Trusted Traveller Program, or FTI-TTP. The inauguration ceremony was held at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi, one of the busiest airports in the country. The event was attended by various dignitaries, officials, and members of the media, highlighting the importance of this new initiative. This program aims to create a seamless and efficient immigration experience for trusted travelers. By leveraging advanced technology and streamlined processes, FTI-TTP ensures that travelers can move through immigration quickly and with minimal hassle. This is particularly beneficial for frequent flyers and business travelers who often face tight schedules. Initially launched at 7 major airports, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Ahmedabad, FTI-TTP marks a new era of travel for India. These airports were chosen due to their high traffic volumes and strategic importance in connecting India to the rest of the world. The program is expected to expand to other airports in the future, further enhancing India's connectivity. The program reflects India's commitment to global engagement and its vision for the future. By adopting international best practices and integrating cutting-edge technology, India is positioning itself as a leader in the global travel industry. This move is also in line with the government's broader goals of boosting tourism and attracting foreign investment. As India continues to grow as a global power, facilitating smoother international travel is crucial. The FTI-TTP program is a significant step in this direction, ensuring that travelers have a positive experience from the moment they arrive in the country. This is expected to have a ripple effect on various sectors, including tourism, business, and international relations. FTI-TTP is a testament to India's dedication to providing a world-class travel experience for both its citizens and foreign visitors. The program includes features such as dedicated fast-track lanes, automated kiosks, and enhanced security measures, all designed to make the immigration process as smooth as possible. This focus on efficiency and convenience is expected to set a new standard for airports across the country. The launch of FTI-TTP has been met with enthusiasm from both travelers and industry experts. Many have praised the initiative for its potential to transform the travel experience in India. Positive feedback has been received from various quarters, including frequent flyers, business travelers, and tourism professionals, all of whom stand to benefit from the improved immigration process. Many believe that this program will significantly enhance India's attractiveness as a destination for business and tourism. By making it easier and more convenient to enter the country, India is likely to see an increase in the number of international visitors. This, in turn, is expected to boost the economy and create new opportunities for growth and development. By streamlining immigration processes, India is sending a clear message that it is open for business and welcomes global interaction. The FTI-TTP program is a bold step towards creating a more connected and accessible India, one that is ready to embrace the future and all the opportunities it brings. This initiative is not just about improving travel. It's about building a stronger, more inclusive nation. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. FTI-TTP, Objectives and Features for a Viksit Bharat. The FTI-TTP program is deeply intertwined with India's ambitious Viksit Bharat at 2047 vision. This vision is not just a dream, but a well-structured roadmap that aims to elevate India to the status of a developed nation by the time it celebrates its 100th year of independence. The Viksit Bharat initiative encompasses various sectors, including infrastructure, technology, and human resources, to create a holistic development model. This vision aims to transform India into a developed nation by its 100th year of independence. It focuses on creating a robust economy, improving the quality of life for its citizens, and positioning India as a global leader in various fields. The FTI-TTP program is a crucial component of this grand vision, particularly in the realm of international travel and connectivity. A key aspect of this vision is enhancing global connectivity and attracting international investment. By improving the ease of travel, India aims to become a more attractive destination for business, tourism, and international collaborations. The FTI-TTP program is designed to facilitate this by making international travel more seamless and efficient. FTI-TTP aligns perfectly with this vision by promoting seamless international travel. The program is not just about making travel easier, it's about creating an ecosystem that supports economic growth and cultural exchange. By simplifying the travel process, FTI-TTP aims to attract more international visitors, thereby boosting the economy and fostering global relationships. The program seeks to establish a robust system that ensures the secure and efficient movement of people across borders. Security is a top priority, and the program incorporates advanced technologies to ensure that safety is never compromised. Efficient border control and streamlined immigration processes are key features that make this possible. By expediting immigration clearance for trusted travelers, FTI-TTP aims to make India a more attractive destination for business, tourism, and investment. The program is designed to cater to the needs of various types of travelers, from business professionals to tourists, ensuring that everyone benefits from the enhanced travel experience. FTI-TTP boasts several key features designed to facilitate smooth travel. These features are aimed at reducing the time and effort required for international travel, making the process as hassle-free as possible. From enrollment to verification and clearance, every step is optimized for efficiency. These include a streamlined enrollment process, advanced biometric verification, and automated immigration clearance. The use of cutting-edge technology ensures that the entire process is not only quick, but also highly secure. Biometric verification adds an extra layer of security, making it difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain access. The program utilizes cutting-edge technology to ensure both security and efficiency. This includes the latest in biometric scanners, automated gates, and other advanced systems that work together to create a seamless travel experience. The focus is on making the process as smooth as possible while maintaining the highest standards of security, minimizing wait times and enhancing the overall travel experience. The ultimate goal is to make international travel to and from India a pleasant and efficient experience, thereby contributing to the broader objectives of the Viksit Bharat vision. By focusing on both security and convenience, FTI-TTP aims to set a new standard for international travel. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia, your gateway to seamless travel. Enrolling in FTI-TTP. Enrolling in the FTI-TTP program is designed to be simple and user-friendly. Indian citizens and eligible foreign nationals can apply for the program through an online portal. The portal provides a step-by-step guide to the application process, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Applicants are required to provide their personal and travel details along with supporting documents. These documents typically include a valid passport, visa if applicable, and proof of address. Upon submission, applications undergo a thorough vetting process to ensure the integrity and security of the program. Once the application is vetted, applicants are invited to a designated center for biometric enrollment. This step is crucial for establishing a secure and reliable identification system. After successful biometric enrollment, applicants receive their FTI-TTP membership, granting them access to the fast-track immigration lanes at participating airports. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 4, From Enrollment to Clearance, Navigating the FTI-TTP Process. Upon arrival at a participating airport, FTI-TTP members proceed directly to the designated fast-track immigration lanes. These lanes are clearly marked and easy to locate, ensuring that members can quickly find their way without any confusion. These lanes are equipped with advanced biometric kiosks that streamline the clearance process. The kiosks are designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions displayed on the screen to guide travelers through each step. Members simply need to scan their passport and provide their fingerprints for verification. The biometric kiosks are equipped with high-resolution scanners that ensure accurate and quick data capture. The system then cross-references the provided information with the member's pre-approved profile. This cross-referencing is done in real time, allowing for immediate verification and clearance. This process ensures a high level of security while significantly reducing processing time. Airport security personnel are always on hand to monitor the process and assist if any issues arise. Once the verification is complete, members receive an automated clearance stamp on their passports, allowing them to proceed through immigration swiftly. This automated stamp is recognized by all participating airports, ensuring a seamless travel experience. FTI-TTP eliminates the need for manual document checks and lengthy interviews, making immigration clearance a breeze. Members can enjoy a stress-free travel experience, knowing that their clearance process is both efficient and secure. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also enhances security by utilizing advanced biometric technology. The technology used is state-of-the-art, ensuring that all data is handled with the utmost care and precision. The system is designed to identify and flag any potential security risks, ensuring a safe and secure travel experience for all. Security personnel are trained to handle any alerts promptly, ensuring that any potential threats are addressed immediately. In addition to the streamlined immigration process, FTI-TTP members often have access to exclusive airport amenities, such as lounges and expedited security screening, making their overall travel experience even more enjoyable. Whether traveling for business or leisure, the FTI-TTP program ensures that members can focus on their journey, rather than the hassles of immigration, providing peace of mind and a smoother travel experience. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5. Phase-wise implementation, expanding the reach of FTI-TTP. The implementation of FTI-TTP is being carried out in a phased manner to ensure its smooth rollout and maximize its impact. Phase 1, launched on January 1, 2025, focuses on the 7 major international airports. This initial phase aims to test the program's efficacy and gather valuable feedback from travelers and stakeholders. Phase 2, scheduled to commence in mid-2025, will expand the program's reach to include 15 additional airports across India. This expansion will further enhance connectivity and facilitate smoother travel for a larger number of passengers. The phased implementation reflects a strategic approach to ensure the program's long-term success. By gradually expanding its reach, authorities can closely monitor its impact, make necessary adjustments, and ensure a seamless transition to a nationwide system. This approach demonstrates a commitment to both innovation and efficiency. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.